What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of GoatinAround. Today we are back at Garibaldi with V, Bree, and Babe's in the car. V's got the pots, and I've got more traps this time. More foldable traps. I've got a couple, what do you call them? Snare traps. I bought a couple of those. So we're going to give it a try again to see if I can't catch any crab. The other time it was a little bit of a bust for me, so I'm trying to get some payback. And I got the lucky girls with me, so hopefully we get something. Come along with us. Let's see if we catch some crab today. Alright, while V gets her traps going, I'm going to throw one out already. Get this party started.
Oh, thanks. Yep.
Alright, we got the snare trap. I put bacon in it. I usually love using bacon in my crab traps. So let's get it out. Hopefully they don't go into each other. We'll see. Boy, it is windy today, guys. This is not raining. Alright, we're going to throw out a second trap. The other one's not staying right now, so. I'm going to give a first pull on this. It's been in here for a while. Excuse me, please. Alright, we're gonna get the first hole on the pots. Does it? There's color, I think. Yeah, you got one, V. You got a huge one, V. Oh my god. You got it. Yes, you guys. Yes. Struggle is real. There might be a couple. Let me get the measure. All right, guys. Small. Super small, but that one's gonna be good, guys. There we go. First one. Yes. All right. First one of the day. Might have to go get my pots, guys. First pull on this pot. Let's see. Nothing in that one though. So maybe we move it over to the other side. Yeah. Well, that other one had the bacon in it, didn't it?
I put both bacon in both.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it here or move it? I think we're gonna move it, guys. Alright, moving it on this side, guys. go against the wind and try this. No, it's too windy. Yeah. Oh, do. Here we go. Well, it was getting out on. I should have checked it earlier. It was my fault. No, I'm going to do it here again. I don't catch a seagull. Ooh, it feels a lot heavier. Come on. Guy next to me just got some of this crap. Okay, there's one. I got a crab finally. Woohoo! It is a girl, female, but crab in the trap with no pinchers.
Good sign.
Yeah, not bad. Let's get it back out there. Let's see. Not too short. Oh, you got one in there. It might be a keeper. It's close. Oh, do we don't have the measure again? Oh, you do? Hold on. I know, but they're getting into... And back. There's a little... Yeah, that's too little. Alright, I'm gonna go get these seagulls real quick. Oh, snared myself. Okay, back to B. Just gonna get it tossed back in. At least there was a crab in there. Ooh, yeah, it does. Looks. Yep, there's a big one in there. Yes. Ooh, it's gonna be close. But it looks like a keeper. Is it a male? Woo! That was just kind of a it's touching. I would say yep. 2. Go. I'll throw this one back out. Okay. Yep. Two crap, not bad. Feels, yep, empty. wind kind of stopped, so that's nice. Maybe I'll be able to get this one out better. Okay, that's out. Let's check this one now. This is the snare. Doesn't feel like it. I'm gonna leave it right there. But I got a crab in my other one, but it was a girl. Yeah, what'd you get? I'm taking Oreos. Yes. Ooh. Oh, my chicken's gone. Way up. I was gonna rebait it anyways. Yeah, my reel just popped off naturally. Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna have to deal with that. This guy again. Oh, it's kind of feeling heavy. I'm gonna drop it in closer.
You got a chicken.
Yeah. Oh. Swing. All right, I think it's tapping. Let's see. I put it a little bit closer. Oh, ooh. I just lost my net. Are you? What the heck kind of day is this today? What the heck? Oh, okay. Well, I've got another net. Holy crap. That sucks. Alright, he's going to give this another pull. And we're going to put some more bait in it. Because it's getting to slack tide. So the crab should be nothing. Hopefully putting more bait in this will help. I'll give this one a yank. Feels light. Yeah. Put more bait in. Tied off. Okay, well, good thing I brought more traps today. I have another one. Let's get it tossed out. V's over here with her fishing pole, trying to get it out for me. What a pal. We'll keep you posted on that, though. What a day. Ooh. This one might actually have some in it. Come on. Please don't be the current. Oh my goodness, it's the current. What in the world is going on today? Bree brought us lunch. We can't catch crab, but lunch is on the table. Please. I feel like it's getting lighter. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna move mine to the end of the dock down here. See how that works. The wind.
Earlier, Mason, when he tried to cast it, right? And then like, so hard.
Okay, you want to pull? Let's do this.
You know I will.
Uh-huh.
So we'll look here.
Come on.
We also put more meat in.
Yeah. I don't know, I can't see. Nothing? Dang it. Should we just drop it right down? Yeah. Yeah, just barely go out. See how that works. Alright. Do you want me to do this one or do you want to do it? Okay, I'm gonna pull this one. Feels right. Here. Dang. This is weird. And then throw that one out. Ooh, almost just got pooped on. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh, that just made me dizzy. Huh? Thanks again, Bree. It was good. Bye. At least the view's nice. What a lucky day today. Let's give it another go, guys. Let's give it another go.
I think you got one this time.
No, I don't got one.
We got some crap.
Nope.
Nope.
Man, it's been a rough day. Let's try this out. Oh crap. Feels heavier, but nothing. They're chewing on it though. They're chewing on it. Alright guys, this is the last pull. Get out of here. I got a Blazer game to go to tonight. Thank you, Northwest Weekenders. I appreciate you guys. You got one? We have a crab. Ooh, it might be big enough. You got it. Ooh, that's gonna be close, V. Let's go. Should I get the measure? Oh god, it shrunk. Let's get the measure. Never prepared here. Never prepared.
Yeah, they're like buddies.
Yeah. God, he looks short too. That second one we got was a little short. Oh, nope, that one's good though. Yep. That's good, it's touching. All right, we did get a second one, guys. Oh, are you pulling? Okay, yeah. I'm here. Woo! Feels heavy, does it? No. No. Nothing on that. All right, guys. Well, we did end up with 2 crab at the end. You got it, V? Okay. But the poles just didn't do anything today. I just had such bad luck with it, to be honest with you, as you guys saw. But 2 crabs isn't bad for right now. The weather hasn't been the greatest, but we caught the only nice day of the week. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed yourself crabbing today, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will catch you guys next time. Pots did it again, guys. I gotta start putting out my crab pots here.